everybody, welcome to my channel. There are a whole lot of YouTubers, especially the small ones and the new ones, who actually make a whole lot of mistake that actually reduces their chances of growing their channel. Now, among this mistake, using the wrong tag is one of them. Now, it is not only the small YouTubers or the new YouTubers that actually make this mistake. I've seen a lot of YouTubers that have been on YouTube for years still making this mistake. If you want to have a successful YouTube channel, you want to make sure you're staying clear from using the wrong tags on your videos, because using the wrong tag can affect your views. Now, there are a whole lot of tags that you should be using on your videos. There are different type of tags that you have here on YouTube. You have the main tag. Now, the main tag are tags that are related to the topic that you are uploading, and then you have the secondary tag, and then you have the long tail tag. The long tail tag are usually tags that are more than two, like between 3 and more words in that tag. Those are called long tail tags, right? Now, having tags on your video is very important. If you are a YouTuber who doesn't use tag on your video, then you're absolutely going the wrong way. Now, the tag section is provided by YouTube so that when you upload your video, YouTube is able to analyze that video, know who that video is for, now look for the right audience for that video and show it to the right audience. Now, for every time you upload your video, you want YouTube to show it to the right audience that would watch your video. Because if let's say your niche is on cars, you make YouTube videos on cars, and then YouTube is showing your videos to people who want to watch makeup videos, they would not watch your videos. Now, you see why using tags are very important. It will just help YouTube be able to analyze your videos faster and know the right audience to show it to. So start using tags if you have not been using tags. Now, there's this rule that you should follow when using tags. So I heard a creator talking about it, and it made a whole lot of sense to me, and I know that I have to share this. So now, when you're uploading your tags, you have to do the 100%. There's a 100% rule, so you have to follow 60 20 20. Now, I'm going to explain this in a bit, and it will make sense to you. Now, when choosing tags, there are tags that you should stay away from, right? Because if you use them, your video would likely not get a lot of views, especially if you are a small YouTuber who is just still trying to grow their channel. Now, if you're a big YouTuber who have a lot of numbers, a lot of views already, you would be able to get away with this. But if you don't, please make sure that you are not using the tags. Now, when you're choosing tags, there are people who don't know how to come up with tags. If you don't know how to come up with tags, there's this tool I use, or the right tag. I use vidIQ. So you can go on vidIQ. They have the free version. Now, the free version is pretty limited because there are a lot of other things you can do with vidIQ. But for the tags, you can use the free version, right? Just download vidIQ on your App Store or your Google Play or whatever app you use to download your apps, and then you'll be able to use this tool. Now, you want to search. When searching for tags, you are searching for tags that are use words that are related to that video to search for tags, right? And then you'll be able to get tags ideas on vidIQ. Now, when choosing your tags, this is the most important part, so you want to make sure that you're listening and taking notes. Now, when choosing your tags, you want to stay away from tags that are high volume search. Now, this might sound weird to you because you're hearing the word high volume. So if it is high volume, it should be equals to high view, right? No, it doesn't work like that. So tags that are high volume are tags that are very competitive. There's a lot of competition within that tag. So now, how do you know tags that are high volume? This is where vidIQ comes into play if you don't know how to detect. Now, when you go into vidIQ to search for tags, you're going to see numbers on them, and then you're going to see different numbers, and then you'll be able to tell which tag is high volume. Now, when choosing tags, you want to stay clear from tags that are high volume, because there are a whole lot of big YouTubers within that tag. So your video is going to be drowned. It's just like maybe having beans. You have a lot of beans, right? And those are like very big beans in a basket, and then you place a very tiny bean inside. It will be very hard to see that bean because there are a whole lot of other big beans there, right? This is why you should be staying away from high volume tags. So now you want to go for tags that are, that are within your niche but are not high volume, right? Tags that are, focused on what your topic is, and maybe, primarily or secondarily English. Well, like primarily and in the secondary, focus of your videos. Now, when you are using the 60-20-20%, now you can do 60 for, tags that are not competitive, that are related to your video, and then you use 20% of maybe high value tag, and then you use another 20% of tags that are, probably not about that video, but it's about your niche, right? So 60% for tags that are, not competitive, that talks about your video, 20% for high volume tags, and 20% for tags that are not likely about that video but about your niche, that can bring more people to your channel, right? Now, after choosing your tags, if you are using tags to get a lot of views, you might probably not get a lot of views, because having views does not stop at tags. Like I said, a lot of YouTubers make a whole lot of mistakes. There are other things that you need to be doing, right, when you are uploading on YouTube. If your content is not good, if your content is not giving value, no matter how good your tag is, you would not get views on your videos, right? Make your videos interesting, especially the very beginning, because this is what would keep viewers retention. Viewers retention would help your video a lot, would help you get more views. When YouTube sees that people are staying on your video, they push it to more people. So try to work on the beginning of your video. Don't waste your time on a long introductions. Get right into your video and give value, right? And then you see how your channel will go from 0 to 100. And then another thing, if you are using copyright on your videos, but now you need to stop, right? I have a video on how to create your own original songs. I don't mean any kind of boring song, like really interesting songs. You can watch this video, you can create your song in less than 5 minutes. You don't need any skill or any experience. It's very easy with your phone, and then you have your own original song, and you can get monetized and paid using the songs on your video, whether it's vlog or whatever you're using. Before we move on, if you found any of my videos helpful, please take a moment to subscribe. It's for free, guys. This will be helpful to me a lot. And take a moment to also give me a thumbs up on this video. Leave your comments and let me know what you think about this topic, and thank you for watching. I would see you on my next video.